Curious about the various types of content writing? This video will serve as your expert roadmap. Hello and welcome back to MAK Blogs SEO content writing course. I am your instructor from the expert team at MAK Blogs. Today in lecture 4 we are delving into the diverse world of content writing and exploring its various types. Understanding these types will equip you with the knowledge to excel in different content creation scenarios. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the entire playlist of this MAK Blogs SEO content writing course by clicking the link in the description box or through the I option above. Let's explore the diverse world of content writing where each type is like a different color on a palette of online communication. First we have informative content writing. Informative content aims to educate and inform the audience. It includes blog posts, articles, white papers, e-books and other resources that provide valuable knowledge on a particular topic. For example, imagine creating a detailed guide on how to start a blog. It offers step-by-step instructions and valuable insights for aspiring bloggers. Next we have persuasive content writing. Persuasive content is all about convincing your audience to take a specific action. This type includes sales copy, product descriptions and marketing materials that aim to influence the reader's decision. For example, think of a compelling product description that not only describes the features but also highlights how a product can solve the customer's problems. Next we have creative content writing. Creative content focuses on storytelling and engaging the audience's emotions. It commonly found in fiction, poetry and creative non-fiction, where the goal is to entertain and evoke feelings. For example, crafting an engaging short story or an emotionally charged poem that captivates your readers. Next we have technical content writing. Technical content requires a deep understanding of complex subjects. It includes manuals, documentation and content that explains intricate technical concepts to a specific audience. For example, writing a user manual for a high-tech gadget that makes it easy for users to understand its features and functions. Now, social media content writing. Social media content involves crafting concise and engaging posts for various platforms. It's about capturing attention quickly and sparking conversations. For example, creating attention-grabbing tweets or Instagram captions that encourage likes, shares, and comments. In conclusion, content writing is a versatile craft that comes in many forms, each crafted for a specific purpose and audience. Understanding these various types equips you with the skills to excel in the ever-evolving world of digital content creation. As you progress through this course, get ready for an exciting journey into the world of content writing. We are here to empower you with the valuable insights and techniques. Remember, practice and persistence are your allies. Keep that passion alive, stay committed and don't hesitate to take risks with your writing. Every word you craft brings you closer to success. Before we conclude, share your thoughts and conclusions in the comments. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for being the part of lecture 4 where we explored the various dimensions of content writing types. Remember, your journey to becoming a skilled content writer is just a beginning and we are here to guide you every step of the way. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or reach out to us. We are here to support your online success. Get ready for our upcoming lessons where we will explore the world of SEO content writing in greater detail. Thank you.